I'm not privy of the facts of this case, Your Honor. My apologies.
When that issue was taken up, one of my questions was for PDEA, kung meron pang local shabu laboratory dito sa ating bansa. Walang naka-report. Would that be true, PDEA? Walang nakaka-report. Tama?
Mr. Chair, Your Honors, just a few months ago, we were able to discover 2 laboratories and we were able to dismantle these 2 laboratories, one in Parañaque and one in Rizal. Just recently,
No.
Your Honors.
During the time when the Quadcom was asking that question tungkol dun sa Cavite raid, for I remember it right, it was Gerald Lasso who gave that information about the 2 raids conducted by PDEG in the province of Cavite. Hours lang ang pagitan. PDEG was then headed by General Mata. Tama? General Bakay? PDEG was once headed by General Mata.
Correct, Your Honor.
Yes, tama. Kaya, Deputy Commissioner, saan nang galing itong mga shabu na ito? Nananako ka sa raid.
Sir, we're just saying always with our porous borders and the number of private ports in this country, I believe, sir, it's not. I believe it not say that it passed through customs container cargos.
Okay. Ang sinasabi ko lang, Deputy Commissioner, is that huwag po kayong magsalita ng tapos. Ano po?
Yes, sir.
But yung example ni Chairman Barbers, kung hindi pa ako humingi ng clarification dun sa statement mo, hindi nakapasok through the customs. Kasi misleading ko minsan yung mga statements eh. Pero sa totoo lang, marami pang droga na nandyan. And I think PDEA knows that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Earlier, I think it was NBI or the Deputy Commissioner who said that it took you about 2 weeks bago nyo nilabas kasi nagba-backtracking kayo. Is that correct? Is that the statement of Deputy Commissioner Jubimax?
Yes, sir.
So anong
Yes, Mr.
resulta
Chair.
ng backtracking nyo, DepCom?
It's a coordinated operation between
No.
agencies, NBI, and
Yes,
PDEA, Mr.
hindi,
Chair.
kasi diba dumating yung drugs kanyo, ano? At because of the intelligence report shared by NBI to the Bureau of Customs and PDEA, hindi nakalabas ng customs yung drugs na galing sa Pakistan. And then I asked, sabi ko, bakit ang tagal yata bago nailabas sa media o lumabas yung storya na merong nahuling droga na galing sa Pakistan? And approximately, it took you 2 weeks before you came out with a press con, no? Or a press statement announcing that there are drugs that came from Pakistan and there was an attempt to smuggle this into the country. Pero nahuli nyo. Ngayon, when I asked, sinabi nyo, kaya 2 weeks, umabot ng 2 linggo bago nyo inalabas kasi nag-backtracking kayo. Now, let me ask, anong resulta ng backtracking nyo? Between the day of the apprehension and 2 weeks later, anong nakuha nyo doon sa backtracking nyo? No, DepCom, it was you who made the statement, di ba?
Sir, in coordination with the NBI and PDEA, we were able to backtrack first the broker and then the processor of this cargo, sir.
Pero the broker was apprehended on the day that the cargoes arrived and when they attempted to bring it out of the bureau, correct? So, ang tanong ko, hinuli nyo kunyari ng Lunes. No? But it took you 2 weeks bago nyo nilabas. Ang sagot nyo sa akin kanina, kasi nagba-backtrack pa kayo. Ngayon, anong resulta ng backtrack? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng gawin nating excuse kagad. Kaya naman matagal po yan nilabas. Kasi nag-backtrack pa kami. Alam nyo po, marami nagtatanong, no? Maaring ang halaga ng drogang yan, let's say 1 billion, pero dahil naitago ng 2 linggo, and apparently, for the reason that you are backtracking, naging 500 million na lang. Ang tanong, nasan yung kalahati? O totoo ba yung amount na i-declare o yung amount of drugs that was apprehended? Kaya nga, yun ang gusto nating malaman. Ano hong nangyari? Ano hong resulta? Ano hong impormasyon ang nakuha nyo when you did your backtracking for the last 2 weeks during the time that you apprehended this cargo?
Mr. Chair, can I let the NBI answer being the case operation owner?
Okay, sige. NBI?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, in addition to the follow-up operation, we were waiting for another shipment that could probably arrive. And we do not want the shipper to already know that another shipment will be coming.
And what happened? So, hindi na dumating.
Yes.
Isang shipment.
Yes.
Pero,
Yes.
2 linggo yung pagitan Simula nung nahuli, na binacktrack ninyo. So, based on your intelligence report, may parating pa na kasunod nung nahuli.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
In a span of how many days? From the day of the first cargo that was smuggled in. Ilang araw ang base sa inyong report?
Well, yes, Your Honor. That's why we're relying on the informant. So, based on the informant, there is another shipment that's coming. So, we just have to wait for not to announce the seizure or so that not to tip off the next shipment.
So, hinintay nyo na may dumating pa na kasunod na shipment in a period of 2 weeks from the day na nahuli niya yung unang kargamento.
Yes, Mr.
At
Chairman.
yung 2 weeks na yun, walang dumating.
No, none, Your Honor.
So, in other words, walang naging positive na resulta yung backtracking nyo.
Not really, Your Honor. The backtracking for this particular shipment, we were able to communicate with the officials of Pakistan. So we were now tracking the shipper of that particular cargo.
Okay. What was the declaration in the entry of this cargo sa Deputy Commissioner?
Mr. Chair, is declared as Vermicelli.
Vermicelli. Now, didn't you ever question or perhaps maybe ask some experts na meron mang vermicelli manggagaling sa Pakistan?
Mr. Chair, it was automatically read because it's part of the selectivity parameters of the Bureau that the declared cargo is already questionable.
So dahil nga vermicelli yan, tapos Pakistan pa galing, automatic, di ba? Meron na kagad na yellow or red yan.
It was set automatically read, Mr. Chair.
So red, just like other cargos that would have come perhaps from China, may red kagad na code yan. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, I really don't know anong nagmatter. Kasi kung vermicelli from Pakistan, sabi nyo, Pakistan, automatic red yan. Di ba? So, anong silbi nung intelligence report na sinare ng NBI? Automatic naman magre-red yan at i-inspectionin nyo yan sa Bureau of Customs, correct?
The information of the NBI comes first, Mr. Chair, and then it was further confirmed based on our resource management system selectivity parameters.
So, nauna yung information from NBI.
Positive, Mr. Chair.
Pero the documents of that particular card